Hello everyone, I'm Vishwas. Hope you all are doing good. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for your response on yesterday's poll. As most of you guys are looking for job openings in Hyderabad location, I have tried to find few jobs in that location and posting a video on it. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for more updates on my videos. If you are looking for a specific role in a particular location, you can comment below or you can also reach out to me on my Instagram ID which is vishwas_reddy01. I'll surely try to find out if there are any openings on that particular role. If you feel these job updates are not matching your skill set, don't forget to share this video to the people who are in job search. Without any delay, let's get started with today's video. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for content management role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Qualifications any graduation. Please note this role may require you to work in rotational shifts. Job summary: the content moderation team focus on reviewing of photos, videos and text-based content and make judgments as to whether reviewed content is in violation of our client's terms of services. They review content which may cover nudity, hate speech, bullying, self-harm and harassment. They ensure every piece of content in violation of client's terms services is accurately identified and flagged for action in a timely manner. Roles and responsibilities. In this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Your primary interaction is within your own team and your direct supervisor. In this role, you will be given detailed instructions on all tasks. The decision that you make impact your own work and closely supervised. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Tech Mahindra is hiring for international voice process. Job highlights: 1 to 6 years of experience required. 50 vacancies. Location Hyderabad. Salary 2,50,000 to 4 lakh per annum. Shift timings: rotational shifts including night shifts. Eligibility: graduates from any stream with minimum 12 months of experience in international voice into telecom or UG with 2 years of international voice process into telecom. No freshers should apply for this role. Immediate joiners would be preferred. Key skills required: should have excellent communication skills, good analytical and interpretation skills, ability to handle multiple tasks, while technical knowledge is required. Interested candidates can directly contact HR from the link which I have provided in the description. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for domestic language role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Designation management level L3 new associate. Qualification any graduation. Job summary: you will be aligned with our business process delivery and help us supervise the day-to-day operational and administrative activities, ensuring all processes are followed, executed and deadlines are met. You will be part of domestic language team which has a strong knowledge of cultural context in the transaction handling and is proficient in Hindi and English. Being fluent in reading and writing in a regional language would be an added benefit. Hindi, Tamil, Bengali or Urdu, any of them is mandatory. You will be responsible for English content wherein you will be reviewing photos, videos and text-based content. Roles and responsibilities. In this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Cognizant Technology Solutions is hiring for process executive voice. Job highlights: 0 to 2 years of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Qualifications: graduate, exclusion BE, BTech or MCA. Responsibility: administrating and helping to manage clients' product support for the customers who call or chat or email in the support center. Customer support to international customers over the phone for voice process, inbound and outbound calling. Client product to the customer, analytics, YouTube, etc. Efficient and timely service delivery across teams for multiple clients. They work closely with the functional leads to define overall strategies and process to increase the efficiency and productivity within the process. Create and manage risk and mitigation plan based on discussion with project stakeholders. Must have skills: customer service, online or digital marketing, full-time employee. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Tech Mahindra is hiring for international voice process role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Salary 3 lakh to 5 lakh 50,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: write and speak clearly using correct grammar and structure. Adapt communication style to build rapport with customers. Maintain a pleasant tone in all communications, written and verbal. Develop a balance between clear, concise communication and customer care. Effectively handle objections and complaints presented by customers by maintaining a calm, controlled and objective communication style. Desired profile: freshers and experienced with excellent communication skills with good knowledge of grammar, vocabulary and sentence construction. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Unisys is hiring for customer service desk associate. Job highlights: freshers can apply for this role. Location Hyderabad. Salary 2,25,000 to 3,25,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: the primary role of a service desk associate is to answer customer requests for assistance by email, chat, web or over the phone. This role is crucial to ensuring customer requirements are met in terms of communication, prioritizing, escalating and resolving incidents and requests. Responsibilities: takes end-to-end ownership of end-user issues till resolution and follow-up as mandated by the process requirements. Applies basic diagnostics techniques to identify problems, investigate causes and recommend solutions to correct common failures. Escalates complex problems to the remote support engineering staff or field engineering. Key skills required: excellent verbal and written communication skills, willingness and ability to work in shifts, good knowledge on operating system, good knowledge of Microsoft Office, multitasking and coordination skills, team player, excellent judgment skills to be able to properly evaluate situations and immediately provide effective solutions. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Cognizant Technology Solutions is hiring for process executive data. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Roles and responsibilities: they serve as a client business divisions with the client-side interactive components using JavaScript, jQuery ad development through various mobile ad producer tools. Provide information, educate customer to update records, update required applications and tools and keep SME and TL informed of new issues. Meet process SLAs or metrics, productivity and quality targets within the established timelines. Ensure process guidelines are followed and met as documented. For voice process only. Receive inbound calls or make outbound calls to support customers on issues related to account management, CRM issues, customization, analytics, creating dashboards, creating reports, features, etc. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Sykes is hiring for US technical support process. Job highlights: 0 to 2 years of experience required, 100 vacancies, location Hyderabad, salary 2 lakh per annum. Designation: associate or senior associate. Eligibility: candidate should have excellent communication skills. Candidates should be interested to work in any of the night shifts. Freshers and undergraduates are also eligible to apply for this role. Candidates should stay within the radius of 30 km from office. Candidates should have basic technical knowledge. Free food and two-way transport is provided. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for SPS associate role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, 100 vacancies, location Hyderabad, salary 2,75,000 to 3,75,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: the seller support associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Demonstrate effective, clear and professional written and oral communication. Basic qualifications: bachelor degree in any stream with 0 to 5 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication in English. Shifts: the job involves working in 24/7 environment including night shifts and the shifts that are decided based on business requirements. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. As I said earlier, please share this video as much as possible so that it will reach the maximum people who are in need of job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you for watching.